Back on the beam for some balance training, but today it is the Seagull run out at Wisconsin Point. See if I can run and film for a couple seconds just so you can see how beautiful it is. Really not smart doing this, but it was just so cool I had to show you, man. There's one old seagull, I call him Grandpa. He don't want to go for shit. Every time I come out here, he sits there by himself while everybody else leaves. Got a boat waiting to come in. Outside the harbor. Lighthouse. We got another whole run to go, Seagull. Okay, that's it for now. I better put this away before I end up swimming.